Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find 6 of the KATSEYE symbols in Dress to Impress. So grab the ice cream, the apple, and the sandwich in Dress to Impress free play mode. Then you are going to go out like in the town area and you'll find like the first cat there, and you're going to want to press E 3 times to feed the cat. So do that, just interact with the cat and you'll get your first symbol. Next, go to the front of the cat cafe and get your first plushie, and you're going to just collect 4 and you're going to place it on the stage. So that's the first one. The second one is in front of Lana's apartment. The third one is in front of the dog statue. And the fourth one is like in front of these 2 buses. Then you'll have your second symbol. Once you've assembled them on stage, you're just going to grab that. Next is an obby. So go to the area where there's like podiums and click on the sandwich. Don't worry, this obby is super simple. You're just going to go up these like sandwiches. So go to the very right, and you're going to just jump to the left a few times and then jump right a few times, and you'll get your third charm. I've been calling it a symbol. It's fine. Then you are going to go to the cat cafe and you're going to go in it, and then you're going to press on this painting, and that painting will actually make you transform into it will transform you into a cat basically. Then you're just going to go around and you're just going to get all of the blue fishes. This one is super simple. And once you're done, you're just going to go to the middle again to collect your 4th charm. I think this is the 4th one, yeah. Then you are going to go in the subway station, and basically there will be a game. You need to follow one of the cones. So I put my walk speed to 30-ish so that I can easily follow it. So you're just going to follow the one that's sparkly, so interact with that first. And here I'm just following the cone. It won't be sparkly anymore, as you can see. So just follow it. One more, and then you're going to then interact with the correct one, and you'll have to do it 3 times. I sped it up, but basically you'll get your 5th charm after this one. And last but not least, you are going to travel using the train here to this area, and basically just turn left here, and then it's going to spawn a bigger ball, and basically you just have to push this down the stream. It's just super simple, and you will get your last charm. And once you have your last charm, there will be arrows pointing to a weird direction, but basically you have to go back to the city area again, and after that you're just going to follow the arrows, and basically it will lead you to this secret area that you will now be able to go into. And you also get these boots and the light stick as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!